Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Subhranshu Padi from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Sambalpur University Institute of Information Technology, Bulla. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Programmable Unijunction Transistor, or in short, PUT. PUT is a four-layer device. It is similar to an SCR. However, the very basic difference between a PUT and a SCR is that the gate signal or the gate terminal of the PUT is in with respect to anode instead of cathode. But in SCR, the gate terminal of the SCR is with respect to cathode. PUT has a moderate voltage rating of 200 volt and moderate current rating of 1 ampere. When the anode voltage exceeds the gate voltage by 0.7 volt, the PUT is turned on, and when the anode voltage becomes less than the gate voltage, the PUT is turned off. So this is the symbol of PUT. As you can see, it is very similar to SCR. Just the difference is that in SCR you have the gate terminal in cathode, but here in the PUT the gate terminal is with respect to the anode, and this is the transistor equivalent circuit of PUT. We have an NPN transistor as well as we have a PNP transistor. They are connected with the help of their base base to collector, right? Base to base to collector. Now, why we require a PUT? PUT is an advanced version of UJT. UJT and PUT are basically used as a relaxation oscillator. Now, what do you mean by relaxation oscillator? A oscillator is a circuit which provides us a repetitive waveform, and it works on the principle of backward criteria as well as positive feedback. That is not the discussion of oscillator is for, maybe for a another video session, but the basic backward criteria and positive feedback oscillator provide us a repetitive waveform. The repetitive waveform can be a sinusoidal waveform, can be non-sinusoidal waveform. If the repetitive waveform is a non-sinusoidal waveform, then it will be called as a relaxation oscillator. Relaxation oscillator has a wide area of applications such as sweep generator, such as ramp generator, freewheeling sweep generator in CRO, and in power electronics also it is used for gate devices. Now we are going to see how this PUT is used as a relaxation oscillator and used in power electronic application to trigger a SCR. Now, see, this is the VI characteristics of the PUT. It is more or less similar to the UJT. You have a peak point, you have a valley point, and here you have a negative resistance region. Negative resistance region is same for UJT as well as the PUT. And this is a very basic test circuit for the PUT. We have the R1, C1, and here is the RG, and here you have a voltage divider R1 and R2, and here you have a supply voltage, and the output comes from the cathode side, right? So now let's draw the circuit in a multisim and see how what is the response of the multisim, and what is the response of the circuit, and how this PUT will be used for triggering a SCR. Now let's open up the multisim. Let's get a DC power. Let's get some ground terminal basically. Then we have some basics like resistors and capacitors. We require precisely 4 resistors and 1 capacitor. Capacitor can be electrolytic, can be non-electrolytic, it depends. So let's do a proper setting of this resistors, and here it will be like this. Okay, now let's get a PUT. There's no basic PUT over here. You have to go to the UJT, and this 2N6027. This 2N6027 is nothing but a PUT. You can see the dataset of this particular device in over the internet. 2N6027. Now let's connect the circuit and develop this complete circuit. Here we have a more or less complete circuit over here, and the supply voltage is connected. Now let's do the 22 kilo ohm, 33 kilo ohm, 47 ohm. This is 22 kilo ohm. This is 33 kilo ohm. This is 47 ohm. And here it should be connected to here. And here you have a 1 mega ohm and 0.05 microfarad. And let's connect a oscilloscope. First, let's give the oscilloscope a ground. Ground terminal is connected. The output terminal and the cathode terminal and the output terminal. Now let's run the circuit and check the waveform auto set. As you can see, let's simplify the circuit. Yeah. Now see here, this is working as basically as a pre-running relaxation oscillator. The output over here and the input, right? So as the relaxation PUT is working fine, now let's focus our attention to a simple SCR, a AC power. The AC power is there, and then let's go to the select all sources, the SCR 2N1595 or 2575, any SCR you can take. And then we are going for the lamp load. The load, basically, the load can be any load, but for visualization purposes, we are taking AC load as a lamp load, 12 volt 10 watt, and let's convert it into a 12 volt 50 hertz. Now this circuit is complete over here, that we have connected a circuit, a very simple circuit. We have a source, we have a load, we have a switch. Now this switch should be connected to, this is the output of 2N6027. Now let's the this is a PUT which is working as a relaxation oscillator and which is used to trigger the SCR. This is the SCR, this is the source load SCR. Now let's check whether our SCR is working fine or not. And here you can see the bulb is glowing over here. So that means our SCR over here is being triggered by PUT. SCR 2N1595 is being triggered by 2N6027 PUT, Programmable Unijunction Transistor. As you can see over here, maybe some late we can speed up this light dimmer by changing the parameters of the changing the resistance and capacitance circuit. But overall, this in this video we have shown how a SCR is triggered by PUT. Thank you.